Welcome back to Family Friends. You want to guess where we are today? At our first tour at RMS. In the last video, we covered the full tour. But these animals are small mammals and birds.
Alright.
Some of these animals will blow your mind just after this reptile starts with a mice. Mice can break into people's houses.
Show him running on the thing.
He's running on the
Exercise wheel.
exercise wheel.
Oh, look at him go.
He's pretty fast.
Wow. Alright.
This video does have some animals that are not pets, only one.
Oh, look at him go.
And you'll freak out of it. Next up is a second mouse exhibit that is abandoned.
Yeah, well, I don't know. Yeah, empty.
And here we got the next up
Syrian
here we got
hamster.
Syrian hamsters. I don't know any facts about them, so we will be moving on. Syrian.
More, a lot of
And
Syrian.
next up, here we have rats. Daddy's favorite animal.
Yeah.
With the
Are these rats or these fancy
These
rats?
are fancy rats. Oh my gosh, look how
Fancy
cute. He's so cute. Next animal is the main part. After the kids that
Oh, we got some
you
bunnies.
used to have long-tailed bunnies, but it's a different species of bunnies today.
What kind is this?
It doesn't say what kind these are, but these are bunnies. And then these are bunnies. You see ones right there.
Over here.
This is the second habitat for them. Next up is the main portion. Slowly after this, you can take a catch for a very long time.
Now who's in here?
A chinchilla. Who on this day was doing what chinchillas do best?
Sleep.
Now, yes.
Is
And
it
here we have a black-footed ferret. An endangered ferret that is very expensive.
look at
It was showing in a different short.
Oh,
He's super cute.
yeah.
Black-footed ferret.
He's not that expensive. This is cheaper than they usually are. Oh, that's cool.
Yeah, I think one of
Look
them
at him.
got
Look at him go.
so
Look at him
cute.
go.
And this is his habitat. He can hide, he can play.
Oh, where's the other one?
The second one I think got adopted, but we still haven't.
No, I think.
Oh, he's going into the pooping box.
Oh yeah. I don't. Oh. Oh, the other one's in timeout because
Here's a baby skunk.
baby skunk.
I don't know why this is here, but there's a baby skunk.
I guess,
Skunks
I
are
don't
not
know.
pets in the real world, but
Well, maybe I don't know.
next
Maybe it's
up is a guinea pig.
It's descented. Oh, okay. You know what that means? It's I think maybe they surrendered it.
And last of all,
Oh.
and here we have a budgerigar, so also known as parakeet. You see they have a big exhibit. Now here's a second view overlooking the ferrets.
Hey Arthur, this is the type of skunk you can get as a pet. She just explained all that to me.
Also, ferrets are a first-time animal,
Okay.
and the ferrets are super cute. If you would like to see a ferret, anyway, you can go check out the very ridiculously cute short.
Oh.
It's so cute.
So it's a ferret part. Is it ferrets in the weasel family, right?
Yeah,
bud?
and they're so. Look how
Wow.
cute he is. He's
Wow.
so cute.
Show the skunk.
And-
Descented. That means it's like it can be a pet. That means. Oh, yeah, the ferrets are descented too.
So I hope you guys like that, fan.